You ever download an AI assistant app thinking it's gonna change your life and then it ends up being a fancy calculator with confidence? Yeah, I've been there. So today I tested Genora AI assistant and chatbot, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what it does, what it's good at, what's kinda suspicious, and whether you should actually use it or delete it faster than your ex's messages. So stay till the end because I'll give you the real verdict. Alright, so Genora AI is basically an all-in-one AI chatbot app. It also lets you chat with AI using text or talk to it using voice input, and it can also reply back like a smart assistant. But Genora doesn't stop at chatting. It also packs a bunch of extra features like an AI writer, an AI tutor, image generation, video generation, and yes, an AI girlfriend. Because apparently AI can now help with homework and heartbreak. So I tested Genora the way most people actually would. First, I used it for quick questions like explain this topic like I'm 10. And honestly, it did a solid job. The answers were clear, easy to follow, and it didn't feel robotic. Then I tried the AI writing generator. I asked it to write a short email and a social media caption. And this is where Genora shines. It's fast, clean, and gives you content that's actually usable without writing everything 10 times. Next up, AI image creation. This part is fun. You type an idea, and it generates visuals based on your prompt. It's not Hollywood level, but for quick designs, concept ideas, or content creation, it's pretty useful. The AI video creation feature is also interesting, especially for creators, but I'll be real, it feels more like a bonus tool than the main reason to download the app. Now Genora has some entertainment stuff too, like Nano Banana Mode, and listen, I don't know who named it, but it sounds like a secret menu item at McDonald's. It's basically a playful mode for more creative and funny interactions. But here's the important part, Genora is still AI, which means it can sometimes give answers that sound confident but might not be 100% correct. So don't use it as your doctor, lawyer, or life coach. They even say it clearly it's for informational purposes only, and you can report bad responses. So final verdict. So if you want a multi-purpose AI assistant for writing, studying, brainstorming, and even some creative image, video tools, Genora AI is worth trying. But if you want perfect accuracy every time, remember it's an AI chatbot, not a miracle worker. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.